I'm really glad that we are doing this in person after 2 years. What started as 5G Forum, many of you remember, and thanks, I'm seeing a lot of familiar faces, which is really great to see. We started actually on the heels of a Qualcomm 5G Forum, and thanks, John, for having invited me there. We got inspired by that, and we thought, in collaboration with Qualcomm and all our great industry partners, we'll start one ourselves. So we started that, I think, in 2015, and we have continued. And of course, it has become from 5G Forum to beyond 5G Forum to now beyond 5G towards 6G Forum, and maybe from next year, 6G Forum. We'll see. But I'm particularly happy that we are able to meet in person this time, because last time it was hybrid, and if you remember that we sort of limited the in-person attendance to 40 people, and everyone else was on Zoom. So I'm happy that we could meet in person this time. I'll not take too much time. So as you see, there was some uncertainty going on, in terms of even some suggestions that we should cancel the event. I'm glad that we didn't, and I think that we'll be doing fine. I think that with the arrangements we have made, and thanks to the to Qualcomm Institute and Atkinson Hall management, and we have been meeting with them for multiple days now, taking all the precautionary arrangements and the contingency plans and so on. I think things are working out fine. There's no one who can enter here and so on, and we'll see how it goes. We have an excellent program, like we always do, and we have excellent keynote speakers. We have excellent panels, other sessions, and so on. So that goes beyond that, saying that we'll hopefully enjoy the program, but let's make it interactive. So there are two mics, stationary mics here. If you can come to the mic after the talk and during the panel, and if you can kindly introduce yourself and mention your affiliation, we'll appreciate that, because that makes the interaction, I would say, even more meaningful. Couple of announcements. So we'll have an open house, an exciting open house, starting at 4 p.m., 4 to 5 p.m. Why an open house? Because many of you know that we have moved to our new collaboratory in the Franklin Antonio Hall. And we have our own collaboratory, and we share a collaboratory with CWS, Center for Wearable Sensors. And so we will visit with the collaboratories and also see some demos and a lot of posters. So all of you are welcome to attend that. It'll be quite exciting. And there you'll get to see the real people who do the real work. That is, our graduate students, our postdocs, and so on. So that is one announcement. Second is that, you already know that we are going to serve everything inside, so that, we don't attract attention from outside. So that you're already now used to. Let's see. What I'll do is, in the interest of time, we'll keep going ahead. So one thing I would like to ensure that we stay on time. Last two times, because of the Zoom format and the hybrid format, we are amazingly in time. So let's see if we can replicate in person the same thing, right? Okay. And so what that means is all of your cooperation, and very importantly, the session moderators, the session chairs, but also the speakers and the panelists.